everyone, welcome to our podcast Aquatalks presented by MANAGE-FISHub. This platform brings you inspiring stories, innovations and impact-driven startups from aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. I am Niveta Sike. Today we are delighted to host Mr. Hemasundar, co-founder of Aqua Maxima. We welcome you, sir. Sir, could you briefly introduce about yourself and tell us about Aqua Maxima?
Myself, Hemasundar. Currently, I was doing Masters in Aquaculture at Acharya Nagarjuna University. I was the co-founder of Aqua Maxima. What we are doing is we can convert the fish fecal matter and aquatic weeds into a sustainable product that can help to eradicate the usage of chemical usage in agriculture and aquaculture also.
Sir, fish culture ponds generate a lots of waste. How does this waste creates a problem?
Usually in fish culture, there is a lot of waste in the culture pond that can be accumulated over the surface of the ground. It can produce ammonia and H2S, that was a harmful gas. It can very dangerous issue for the fish. For example, usually fishes can produce ammonia only, like from fecal matter, but plants can take ammonia directly. That's why collecting the waste from the fish ponds.
Can you explain how fish pond waste can be converted into vermicompost?
In the fish pond, there is a lot of waste accumulated over the ground. Okay, we can collect the fish pond waste from through a siphon. Before culturing the pond, we can arrange a siphon in middle of the pond. We can use that one, and then we can collect the fish waste using the siphon. And also we can collect the water hyacinth or any other aquatic weeds from the natural water bodies present over there. After that, we can process them and we can place in a vermicompost bed. And then after introduce the earthworms, it takes 60 to 70 days that composition will be converted into a vermicompost. Then after we can collect and save that, and we can pack, and after we can go to the market.
So many people already do vermicomposting. What makes this model unique for the fishery sector?
So many people are doing vermicomposting, but this was very different to the natural vermicompost or traditional vermicompostation. In these nutrition values like nitrogen and carbon and NPK values, all of them are, when compared to the traditional one, it will be very high, ma'am. 3x high in this one. Also, we are tested. We are given to so many farmers and all those things. They say it works very well. Also, in this, the fiber content will be very high, ma'am, when compared to the normal one. And also, in this case, we are using fecal matter and aquatic weeds. That's why this is very different from the normal vermicompost.
So that's so nice, sir. How does this model helps for fish farmers economically?
Mostly farmers can do one thing. After the harvesting, they can dry the pond, and after that they can adapt a tractor and JCB, all those things. They can clear all the sludge by using machinery, and after they can dry, and after they can use for next crop. But what we are doing is the farmer can collect the sludge from the pond, then build a small infrastructure for preparing this vermicompost and collect the aquatic weeds in the village. Then they can produce the vermicompost near the pond. Then after they can use the vermicompost they have produced for instead of chemical fertilizers. It can help to the farmer for decreasing the investment, and also it will be a sustainable approach to the environment.
So it is economically very feasible to the farmers.
Yes, ma'am.
You already said it is economically feasible to the farmer. What kind of benefits it gives to the environment?
Usually we can see natural water bodies are spreaded with aquatic weeds. It may lead to eutrophication and it can damage to the natural water bodies and also fishes present in the natural water bodies. So we can clear the aquatic weeds regularly, then there is no problem of eutrophication. We are using the aquatic weeds. That's why we can use for the environment, and also we can use chemicals for culturing agriculture or for aquaculture. It can contaminate the natural water bodies. But instead of chemicals, we are using organic ones. That's why it can impact on the environment to decrease the carbon footprints.
How does MANAGE-FISHub support to this initiative and is helpful for scaling it?
Manage was a very good platform to initial stage startups. I was in ideal stage only, but I will come here for attending a program called as RKVY-RAFTAAR. It can help to me to know what is regulatory compliances and also laws present for the build a proper startup, and also about GST, and also manage will be arrange an interaction with NFDB and also technology hub been present in Hyderabad. It can helps to me for networking and also collaboration with any some other peoples in India. In this program, so many people are come from all over the India. So it can be a platform for a good networking, and also I have gained so much knowledge in this program. For that, I was thanking you to manage for arranging the Aqua Eureka and supporting me to build my career as a entrepreneur.
Nice to hear from you. Thank you. So looking ahead, so how can this model helps to biocircular economy in aquaculture and fisheries sector?
Circular bioeconomy, that means in aquaculture a fish face will be there and also aquatic weeds also there. No one can use that, both things. Why? All of this thinking about that was a waste thing. So, but I was thinking that was a goal, right? That's why I was use the production came from via aquatic producer fishes. I can use that one, and that I will convert into a useful product. Then after we can use for culturing the aquaculture only. It can be helpful for development of plankton in aquaculture. It contains more NPK values. That's why we are using fecal matter, and also we can give to the aquaculture farmers. They can use. Okay, that's why we are titled it as litter to glitter. Okay, we can you can take letter and we can convert it as a glitter useful product. After that, this is a circular process. We can take the letter and then we can convert into a glitter. After that, it will be formed as a letter. That's why this is a bioeconomy, circular bioeconomy.
So interesting and innovative. Really, it's very good to hear from you. So, thank you so much for sharing this wonderful and innovative idea with us. Really, your idea is looking like how the waste can be converted into a valuable product. This is Aquatalks presented by MANAGE-FISHub. This platform brings you inspiring stories, innovations, and impact-driven startup from aquaculture and fisheries ecosystem. Until the next episode, this is Niveta CK signing off. Thank you for watching.